So we're just packing up for our first big mission of the trip. We're going to the Indravati river in Chhattisgarh. It's a massive river, huge volume, and I think we're gonna multi-day it, so we'll be camping overnight by the river. It's all very exciting, and hopefully by the time we get back to Orissa, permits will be ready. We'll be able to crack on with some of the runs here.
We're going to Chhattisgarh to find some waterfalls. Apparently it's a tribal region, the good kind of tribes though, not the mouse and guns type. So what is it, like 4 o'clock? We've decided time to start the 6-hour journey straight into a multi-day, and yeah, pretty excited. First ever proper multi-day.
Yeah, Chicory Falls. It's pretty massive, about 90 to 100 feet. Of course, looks grand just a booth down the middle, but there's an army guy said we're not allowed to run the falls, explicitly told us that, so if we do that we'll probably get arrested. So boofing down the middle, we'll probably have to wait for a dawn mission where there's no cameras, but I promise I'll do it.
We're just looking at possible put-ins. The military don't like us so much and don't want us to go kayaking, so we're going to find a nice quiet spot to put on.
Access is not a solved problem yet.
So where are we getting on?
We're trying to find a path that we found yesterday to get down to the river, but we're just sort of wandering around on vague animal tracks through jungly stuff. Don't really know where we are. Yay.
Hey, but big plus point, no polizei here at all.
No, not a single one.
Not a single dude with a gun anywhere to be seen.
So here we are, after about 2 weeks of faffing around, we finally made it to the river. Get on the Indravati and it looks fantastic. I'm exhausted, but I can't wait.
Beautiful day in Indravati so far, and now we're gonna do our camping here overnight, and then we'll go down tomorrow from here.
We've just rocked up on a lovely island campsite. We've got water to this side, water to that side, all ours. Absolutely fantastic.
That's really fucking close.
That was quite scary.
What the fuck?
Woohoo!
Paddling in front of everybody and was trying to take a right channel, but suddenly I saw head of crocodile and James was just behind me and he start paddling backward, and I was just like, oh no, we don't want to go there.
saw a crocodile. It was huge. I mean, it must have been about that big. So naturally, we all took it like the gentlemen that we are and ran away. We kind of stayed in a group for the rest of the trip because we were all obviously very, very scared of this 1 meter crocodile.